Reviews are crucial for a DJ for several reasons. 1. Reputation and credibility. Reviews serve as a testament to a DJ's skills and professionalism. Positive reviews from previous clients demonstrate that the DJ has delivered satisfactory performances and met or exceeded expectations. This builds a solid reputation and enhances the DJ's credibility in the industry. 2. Booking and clientele. When potential clients are looking to hire a DJ for an event, they often rely on reviews to make their decision. Positive reviews provide social proof that the DJ is reliable, talented, and capable of delivering a great experience. Reviews can help attract more bookings and expand the DJ's clientele. 3. Differentiation and competitive advantage. In a saturated market, DJs with positive reviews can stand out from the competition. Reviews highlight unique aspects of the DJ's style, performance, or customer service that set them apart. Having a strong collection of positive reviews can give a DJ a competitive edge and increase their chances of being chosen over other DJs. 4. Feedback and improvement. Reviews offer valuable feedback for DJs to assess their performance and identify areas for improvement. Constructive criticism can help DJs refine their skills, adapt to client preferences, and enhance their overall service quality. By actively listening to feedback from clients, DJs can continuously grow and evolve. 5. Marketing and promotion. Reviews serve as powerful marketing tools. DJs can leverage positive reviews by sharing them on their websites, social media platforms, or promotional materials. Reviews act as endorsements that promote the DJ's services and attract new clients. Additionally, reviews can influence word-of-mouth recommendations, further expanding the DJ's reach. 6. Trust and confidence. Booking a DJ is an investment for clients, and they want assurance that they are making the right choice. Reviews contribute to building trust and confidence in the DJ's abilities. By reading about positive experiences from previous clients, potential clients feel more comfortable and secure in their decision to hire a particular DJ. Overall, reviews play a vital role in a DJ's career by establishing their reputation, attracting new clients, providing feedback for improvement, and promoting their services. DJs should actively seek and manage reviews to maintain a positive image and foster continued success in their profession.